Hello, testing the mic. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to Eyes on Faith YouTube channel. Listen, we just want to give you a little bit tutorial on how to make up. So if you have a girlfriend, you have a sugar baby, you have anybody that you want to look pretty for you, see what she's putting right now? I don't know what that is, but it be like pepper spray. You just rub it on the face, and then you rub that cream on the face. It's just gonna look a little bit shiny, and then kind of like bring out all the, you know, all the wrinkles and out of your face, and then put that babalawo kind of white chalk at the top. If you're from the village, you know what I'm talking about. And then see how she's rubbing it. Just put it gently, and just make it look good. I know y'all niggas like this. I know y'all niggas enjoyed it. Oh, she has what they call take me to Brazil. Okay, show this to your girl, and girls, check this out. This is really good. It said take her to Brazil. I don't know what Brazil she's going to, but I think she's looking for the pink Brazil right now, or the purple Brazil. It's just applying the purple Brazil on there, and we'll see where she's going. We'll see where she's going, but so far so good. What I see looks good though. You know what I'm saying? And I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it, man. I'm definitely gonna dig that. So she's gonna rub it multiple times, and I don't know how many times, but it depends on how you want your beauty. If you want it so hard or so soft, whichever way you want it, you can keep rubbing whatever your man likes, and whatever bubbles your bubbles or tickles your bubbles, anything you see, you carry. But nevertheless, let's go back to what is on point right now. So she's adding on the second part, and I'm feeling that. I'm feeling that. I'm sure you too. You're feeling that. Look, if you're liking what you're seeing so far, and you're enjoying this makeup tutorial, let me tell you, just subscribe. She have modern assurance. Oh wow, modern assurance. Is that modern assurance I saw? Well, whatever it is, but she's putting the brown one on top again. Okay, I don't know if she's trying to be the rainbow with her eyes, but we'll see where she's going from there. Homies, man, look. If you're liking what you're seeing and you want your girl to look like that, I know you've been fantasizing on this chick, bro. So just send the link to your babe. Your babe can be like that too, but she can be her. But she can be like that, you know what I'm saying? So send this link, bro. Subscribe, first of all. Subscribe. Subscribe, homie. Subscribe. And then you can send the link to share the link to your friends so y'all can chill and see how you can learn how to make up too. You don't know, you might have a daughter someday and you gotta make up your daughter. But if you make up yourself too as a dude, oh well, whatever flows in your boat, homie. But okay, so she's about, don't forget to subscribe, Sha. Okay, so she's wiping it too much. Like I said, the thing is too much. And sorry guys, I'm just fluctuating with my accent. It ain't hard to keep up, man. It can be who you're not, but I'm sure you're feeling it. Okay, so she's showing us another cream, and this one, I don't know what it does. It's kind of like taking out the contour or taking out the pimples. Oh, this is the shiner. Okay, this is highlighter. I don't know what they call it, but I think because I can see the face shine. So this is the one that makes your face look like you are yellow, you're fair. This is the fair one. I don't know if they call it highlighter or this is the fair thing, but oh wow. So, okay. I see it, and then she's putting more on the eye side and the cheek. All right, bros, man, guys, hit on the subscribe button, man. It's very important. We're liking this. I'm liking it. I don't know about you, but I know you're liking it. But listen, subscribe, because this chick is a killer. She got a lot of skills, man. I mean, looking at what she's doing right now and how this whole thing is transforming is dope, my brother. It's dope, man. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Everything is just kind of like sinking in gradually. Wow. I'm impressed, man. I'm impressed, guys. This is really an eye-opening for me. It's a great experience watching this lady make. Oh, is that eyes or rock? Wow. So with all this beauty, you have to put rock or eyes to smoothen. Oh wow, this is like face massage. Oh, this is what they call face beating. So now she's beating the face with the rock. So as she's hitting it gradually. Oh wow. Nice one. I like what she's doing, man. And now everything is kind of like blending in. Wow, she's looking fairer than she looks before. Oh my God. This is good. This is good. I'm just excited just seeing this beauty coming into, you know, piece by piece. Everything is just coming out to play nicely looking. This is delicious, man, to see. Look at that. Okay, okay. She's adding more. Wow. Okay, now we're on the eyelashes. Okay, the eyelashes looking good, man. Look at the girl, looking fly. Oh, she wanna extend the lashes. The one which she get no long enough, so she want to put longer. Okay, okay, okay. Wow, be careful, Sha, when you're putting this in before you go blind your eye. All right, we see that. Even some guys who want to put eyelashes too. Now you can see the eyelashes she's using. You can message her if you want more of the eyelashes. I mean, hey, look, guys want to be pretty these days, man. If I like ask Bobrisky. But anyway, what we're saying is she's putting the eyelash extender or eyelashes and then kind of like making it looking longer, and and then now she's balancing the painting and making everything look, balance the potopoto with the rainbow, and then with the babalawo white chalk, everything kind of like sinking in right now, and it's looking good. It's looking good. I like what I'm seeing so far. Okay, okay. Now we have what is that stuff? I don't know, but that is still going on the eye. This eye don't suffer. Don't put zote the eye self. Don't they lose the foundation? Okay. Let's see what she's doing. Let's see what she's doing there. All right. I know you guys are feeling this. Don't forget to subscribe, oh. No go here the admire person. You don't subscribe to the page, oh. Don't let thunder fire you. So let's go back to it. Okay. Now she's putting it a little bit just to blend in from the eye, and then it go blend into the babalawo color chocolate she put for. Nah, she's feeling it. She's feeling it. See, I can guarantee you when you do exactly what she did, like this, so you could dance. Just try it at home. You see it. And then now we come to contour palette, man. All right, contour palette. So let's see how could this contour palette. So my question is, if she has a contour palette on her face, does that mean she's contemplating? Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Look, people. Look. Okay, she don't spray the pepper again, or whatever it is. Now she's gonna see her waving it because the thing they pain. They say beauty is pain. And then now we are back to the lips. Okay. Now the lips is kind of like flexing the thing, rubbing the lip marker, and then balancing the lip. And then we're going to the lip gloss now. She's putting the lipstick. Lipstick. This one's lipstick. And then she just do her mouth like that. When you put it, do it like that too. Mwah, 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 mwah. And then you wipe it a little bit just to balance, and then do ma again. There you go. And now the baby don't set. Hey, he don't set. This beauty no be here. Go to Mecca. But okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going, guys. Now she's looking. Please don't forget to share this thing. Share and like with your homies, with your friends, with your girlfriend, with your baby mama, because the baby mama needs to look good too. Share this thing to everybody in your neighborhood, because you want to have a neighborhood full of fine girls and not neighborhood feeling like people's grandmother or great grand ancestors. Okay, now she's putting the last one, and this is the last layer to the lower side of the eyes. And then everything is looking so, deliciously good right now. I'm feeling it, and it's kind of ticklish right now. Oh, sorry. I mean, it's kind of looking very, very clicking in right now. Get your mind off the gutter. Just focus on what is making up here. Oh, dripping juicy lips. Chineke. I beg, subscribe. I beg, just subscribe. Let's just leave the matter there. Subscribe. I beg. I can shout. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. See the smile. The smile tutoring me. The smile tutoring me. Thank you, baby. Thank you.